guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the scary video using CapCut PC Pro. So select your video and you're just going to go to the part where you want the lights to turn off, I guess. So I'm just going to add in this like black screen to act as like the lights turning off, maybe like a little bit longer. If you want, you can like adjust the opacity a little bit so it's not like super dark, so you can still see a little bit, because like I guess like when lights turn off it doesn't go like all super like dark. Then after you want to like split it, go to effects and under Halloween select the black tears one and add it to your video. You can adjust the filters here and the strength of the, like, I guess the eye makeup and stuff like that. I'm just going to leave it at 100. And maybe I'm just going to delete the filter as well. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!